Welcome to Bright Beats, and today's topic is A to Z alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for basket. C. C for cucumber. D. D for doctor. E. E for egg. F. F for fruits. G. G for gun. H. H for honey. I for ink pot. J. J for jam. K. K for key. L. L for lock. M for motorcycle. N for nib. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sandwich. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for window. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.